way that I've been doing my coffee every morning. It's very simple and it's predicated in two things. One is sourcing really good beans. For this example, I'm going to be brewing a Guatemala, a Huehuetenango coffee. The second component for brewing really good coffee is the method that you're using. In this video, I'm going to talk about the AeroPress method. It's a really good combination between a really good extraction and a component of convenience. You can take this on trips, you can throw it in your backpack, you can put it in your office in a drawer and always have a really good cup of coffee. What I have here is the AeroPress, and this device is used to make coffee. It is a three-part device. It's made out of plastic. As you can see, it's very small and it's portable. You can throw it in your backpack, travel with it, put it in your office, in a drawer, or wherever you want to have it. It's very convenient. I think it's one of the best inventions mankind has ever seen. So the top part is where you put your filters. You use these paper filters. I'm gonna use 2 filters for this recipe. I'm going to add 18 grams of coffee into my AeroPress and I'm gonna weigh them. I typically don't like using a scoop to measure my coffee. I prefer to weigh my coffee because it will give me a more consistent brew all the time. I use this scale that I got on Amazon. It cost me maybe less than $15 and I put the batteries a very long time ago. It has forever batteries. Another accessory that I recommend that you use is this kettle. It has a thermometer on the top. It allows you to check the water temperature because for this recipe, we're going to heat up the water to 80 degrees Celsius. Step 2, we're going to pour 50 grams of water and then stir 3 times to the left and 3 times to the right. Then we're going to add all the way up to 200 grams. So you were at 50 grams, we're going to bring it up to 200. And then we're going to stir again 3 times to one side, 3 times to the other. And we're going to get rid of that blank space that is between your AeroPress and your coffee. We want it to kind of be flat. You gotta be careful because you can make a mess. Then we're going to close it and we're going to wait for a minute and a half for it to brew. Once the minute and a half went by, we're going to place our favorite mug on top and we're just going to flip it over. Now add very gentle pressure. I'm not going to force it, but I'm just going to let my hands rest on it and I'm just going to let it drop. And that is how I make coffee every morning for the family. This is an acquired taste. It's something that it's an opinion-based drink. If 18 grams is too much for you, then you can take it down a little notch. What I do recommend is that you give the AeroPress a try. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below when you can buy it. I think it's like $40. The kettle cost me also like $20 and the scale cost me like $10.